How to use the clone stamp tool today. Notice I've got two images that are exactly the same pixel dimensions. I can check out my pixel dimensions by going to image size, and it'll tell me the pixel dimensions of the image. They are both the same. Now, the clone stamp tool can be used to take pixels from an image and duplicate them and put them onto the same image, so I'll show you that here. I usually like to create a new layer, so when I'm taking pixels from one spot and putting them onto another spot, like this. If I don't like what I've done, I can always just get rid of the layer. It's simple enough, instead of destroying the image. Notice that I can change what that clone stamp looks like. I can change the hardness, meaning how fuzzy it is around the edges by using that. I can also change the size here as well as using the bracket keys. Now the interesting thing about the clone stamp tool is I can also take pixels from one image and place them onto a completely different image that I've opened. Again, I will want to create a new layer, but right now you can see I can now replace old Michael Jackson eye with new Michael Jackson eye, and I can see what I've done here by clicking on this. Now, if I wanted to change the size of this eye, it wasn't perfect. We've learned how to use a tool that will allow us to do that and modify it slightly, and that's by using the transform tool. I can use the move tool where I click show transform controls, and now I'm able to move this around on my image, rotate it if I wish slightly, and also to enlarge it. Once I've completed transforming this image, I want to select and confirm that. When you've finished with using the clone stamp tool, you'll want to save your image, because you'll be combining it with the image that you used the Liquify tool on to submit. So save as. You can save it as a JPEG or a Photoshop document. I'll probably save this one as a JPEG. I'm going to save it to, let's see here. And now we're ready to combine these images. That is how you use the clone stamp tool.